light load so we can hook it like this. And here's where we are. 300 feet up, standing on the top of the tower. Here's Alex right below me waiting for the antenna. And way down there at that truck, there's 3 guys. If you can pick them out, you got some good eyes down there. One's sitting at the back of the truck, and 2 are up by the front between the 2 trucks. Now this is the tower that you can see from the Port Mann bridge when you come across into Vancouver. There's a really tall tower right on the horizon. That's where I am. What a beautiful view here. And there's Vancouver way on the horizon. Metro town over there. Looks like the Coquitlam Bridge. Off in the distance, the Alex Fraser. The new Port Mann construction. And way over here is the, looks like the Pitt Meadows Bridge. And down in the smog way over there is the Golden Ears that we can't see from here. I got enough time to do all this because, well, when you're 300 feet up and you got the winch running, it's not coming very fast. And yeah, believe it or not, the bottom of this tower is about a... How wide is the bottom of face, Alex? How wide is the bottom of the tower? 30 feet? 40 feet? Something like that. And up here, it's not even 5 feet across. You can see by my feet here. So, come on, block, keep on humming. I'm going to get this antenna up here. I'm going to be mounting it right about where my belt is on this bike. This is for the lower mainland Vancouver area search and rescue. So we're going to put it up as high as we can. It'll broadcast over to Grand Hill on that side, that area, and behind me, over to the North Shore area. Way over there is SFU on the top of that hill, and Vancouver and Metro Town, as we said. And we sit here and wait. And wait. Come on, boys, wrap her up.